Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film this no makeup look in my bathroom, Vogue style. I thought it would be like a cute little way of changing it up, and yeah, it's a super easy look. Literally takes me 5 minutes in the morning, and yeah, I did a little faux freckle action as well. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, then please stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I like to do when I'm doing like a no makeup look is my eyebrows. I need to fill in my eyebrows like immediately. So the first thing I like to do is brush up my eyebrows with the gel, and I kind of just shape them to how I want them to look. So to fill in my brows, I like to use the MAC brow tint in the shade Stud. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just fill in all the sparse areas that I see. And I'm literally just drawing like strokes. And I just draw lines so they look like brow hair. And of course, your brows don't have to be perfect. Like, they are sisters, not twins. So as long as they look related, you'll be fine. After I'm done filling in my brows, I like to take this cream blush from Makeup Forever on a e.l.f. stippling brush. It was like $3, and I'm pretty sure I bought it at Old Navy. Did you know Old Navy sold e.l.f.? Well, at least they do in Canada. Anyways. So I kind of just put it on my nose. I know it looks crazy right now, but I put it on my nose and then I drag it like underneath my eyes, kind of. Trust me, it works. And I just put it underneath my eyes like that. And I blend it out. And it kind of just like, it adds a little bit of like blusher to the face and warmth. And it also kind of hides your under eye circles because it's orange and it's a corrector. So I like to put it on days that I'm just like running out the door, or even like if I'm going to the gym, I'll put this on like sometimes. Definitely not all the time. Like if I'm doing no makeup, I don't need to cover every single scar or whatever that I have. I'll just like go out the house like this sometimes. And it just adds like a nice like little glow to the skin, I think, at least. But if you wanted to take it a step further, we gonna take it a step further. And normally I can do this no makeup look in like 5 minutes and I'm out the door. So it's a great like work makeup look, or if you're going wherever you need to go and you need to be in a hurry, school, great back to school look. I know, like, okay, when I was in high school, I mean, I used to not beat my face, but I used to put on like powder and eyeshadow and all that stuff, and like mascara. Obviously I did a thick wing liner. I used to do a thick wing liner. Wow, I actually did the most in high school. I was about to say, like, kids these days I feel like do the most, but I actually did the most in high school too, so I don't really know if I could really hate. But anyways, like I said, if you wanted to take it a step further, I like to use my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 420. I'll just put it around my mouth to cover up the darkness. I'm just blending out whatever's left on the brush onto my skin. So yeah, I just put a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes and I blend it out really quickly. Now I like to use my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami, and I just like to put it right there and on my chin and down my neck a little, just to like chisel out that area. And then I'm putting this right over where I put that cream blush as well. And it makes it a lot easier that I have eyelash extensions on. I'm not gonna lie, like, And I don't set underneath my eyes because I just put a little bit of concealer, so I don't need to like bake or anything like that. Okay, now I like to put on my Glossier gloss. And then I like to do my faux freckles. I do it with the same eyebrow pencil that I use, and I literally just, you know what helps actually? If you take a picture with the freckles filter on Instagram, you can like map out where your freckles really should be, which is really nice because I think the hardest thing with like faux freckles is like placement. So I'm just really gonna follow what's on this picture. I literally just do random dots all over my face. Come in closer. And I like to make just like tiny dots, especially like around my nose. As they go farther out, I sparse them out. I like to put it up around my brows. I think that's cute. So those are my little freckles. I'll take my bronzer and kind of just sweep that right back over. Last up is my badescu spray. This is the aloe, cucumber, and green tea. And once that's dried down just a little bit, I go back in with the cream blush. And yeah, that is my no makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's super easy, very easy to attain, and it's just like a nice healthy glow onto the skin. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.